Okay, hey everyone, we are back. So, we had two fails of booster pack openings, and I decided to open the 151. For some backstory, when I went to Japan last month, I I think it was like a couple days before we left. We were just walking around the mall, and we saw that they were selling this, and we're like, oh, I thought they were sold out in Japan. So, me and my friend, we both got 6 packs, I think, and I got this card right here, which is the Charmander, but I got this one. It's the Master Ball Pikachu, and I actually didn't know this was valuable. I was just like, oh, this Pikachu's cute. I went home, and then someone was like, oh yeah, the Master Ball Hollows are like the best. I thought it was like an actual Master Ball card, but it was actually the holographic. So I'm like, oh, let me just check if I have one. I'm like, oh, I have one. I check, it's a Pikachu, and I'm like, cool, let me check up how much it's worth. And apparently this is like the most valuable card in the pack. And this and TCG app put me down the rabbit hole. If I didn't get this card and this wasn't worth that much, I really wouldn't have gone through this rabbit hole. So I blame this Pikachu card. I love you. But yeah, here we are opening a box of Japanese 151. And this has 20 packs in it, I think, with 7 cards each. So it's like it's another premium pack. Oh wait, before I open the box, let's take some thumbnails. Okay, I just took a thumbnail picture. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Nope. Okay. We are not starting this video strong. Wait, it says to do it from here, but this is like glued. Okay, this is really not going well. Okay, got it. Just took a couple struggles. We have a whole box. Okay, so we have 20 different booster packs. We're gonna hope we get some good ones. I think we definitely want the starters evolutions, like the full art cards. And of course, we want a Master Ball. I think a Master Ball Gengar is pretty valuable, so if we get that, I'd say that's a win. Let's just go ahead and open it up. First pack. I don't know if there's God packs in these ones too, but I think my friend opened one and she got like Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur all in one pack, which is insane. Bulbasaur, that's so cute. I really love the art. Ooh, Charmeleon. Ooh, this is a Pokeball card actually. Okay, we'll sleeve you right away. Oh, and we have an Arbok EX, so you are the rare. Okay, so there's 2 cards from the back. I can do that, 2 cards. So we have our first Pokeball card. One, 2. We have Seeking, Kabuto, Sparrow. Oh, I know all these names. Oddish, Slowpoke, I love that. Meowth, another Pokeball card. And Gengar. It's not a Master Ball, so it's not worth much, but it's nice to sleeve. This is going a lot faster now. There's only like 7 cards. And I know the names too. Muck, Venema, Old Amber, Shelder, Magmar, another Pokeball card, and Kabuto. I'm not gonna sleeve you because, or Kabutops, sorry. Yeah, I'm not gonna sleeve that item card. That's just whatever. It is what it is. Hitmonchan. Ooh, a Yukimori card. I love her claymation cards. Psyduck, Paris, Grimer. Ooh, Flareon. I do love that. And Beedrill. Looking good. So far, nothing that's like a full art card. Dragonair. I like that art. Dugong. Dratini. Coughing. Kakuna. Ooh, Tingala. And it's a full art. It's probably not worth much, but still. Machamp. Don't worry, Tingala. I cherish you. I love the art illustration cards because they're just so pretty. Art rares, I believe they're called. I think you deserve, even though you're not worth much probably, you deserve a top loader. You deserve a top loader. It's fine. You get to join the ranks of Pikachu and Charmander. So pretty. More goggles. Kadabra, Starmie, Diglett, Nidoran, Lickitung, Hollow, and Zapdos EX. Back in when I collected Pokemon cards, literally EX cards were the rare cards. Now they're just like, they're basically like pity rares that are not, people don't really want. Back in my day, they were the rare cards. Bill, Eradicate, Mankey, Venonat. Man, I haven't like spoken these Pokemon names in such a long time. I can't even pronounce them. Weepinbell, Sandslash, and an Electrode. We're like literally halfway through the pile already. So my memory card just like died, or my memory card was super full, so I had to export. So I literally had this pack of cards just sitting here for an hour waiting for those files to export. So let's see. Ooh, Wartortle. Nidoran, Drowsy, Diglett. Aerodactyl Master Ball! Whoa! Nice, nice, nice. And a Golem. Okay. Master Balls need to be top loaded immediately. I don't even know how much it's worth. And we have our first Master Ball. Well, maybe that's why we sit on things and wait and, you know, let it ferment like wine, and then we'll get better luck. But you know, that doesn't really work because the Eevee Turtle I had for like at least a week and nothing. Version, Graveler, Ponyta, Ekans, Cubone, another Pokeball, and Gyarados. Kingler, Sandslash. Ooh, Ammonite Fossil. I do like this set. Maybe I want like just one of each card that are like not the rares, you know? Dugong and Amistar. We have Tentacruel, stickers, Squirtle, Cleffa, another Dratini, Kabuto, and ooh, Mew EX. Wait, I think Mew EX is actually like pretty good, no? Okay, so this one's actually not worth that much, but you still get to be sleeved because it's pretty. Pinsir, Charmeleon, Farfetch'd, Sandshrew, Abra. We have another Magneton Yukimori card, and Moltres. Oh wait, two. Hold on. We have Snorlax, Haunter. Ooh, another Yukimori card. Rattata, Coughing. Dragonair full art card. And Articuno. Wait, this is so pretty. I'm sure you're not worth much, but you're so pretty. You also get to be top loaded. Oh, that is so pretty. I love Dragonair. One of my favorites. Golduck, Duran, Rhyhorn, Goldeen, Pidgeotto, Kakuna. Oh my god. And a Starmie. We only have like 6 packs left, so we need a little bit better luck. Balloon, Poliwrath, Porygon, Vulpix, Electabuzz. Another one! And Zapdos. Okay, I mean, I'm pretty sure I have this Zapdos, but this Ammonite, I do not have. And is that there's little Kabuto right there? Wait. I mean, I just like, you know, like the... I just really like art cards that are like full art. Look at this beauty so far. We only have 4 packs left. We do need an SAR though. We don't have one of those. One box has to have at least one, right? Here's our Pokeball. Rena. Mewtwo. This is 4th to last. Pikachu. Krabby. Ooh, Articuno. Jolteon. Okay. I guess there's only 1 Master Ball per set. It'd be nicer if we had more. A Claw. Butterfree. Weedle. Zubat. Metapod. Nidoran. And oh, that Chansey is so cute. Wait, I want to sleeve you because this Chansey's adorable. Look at this Chansey. I love that art. Who's the artist? Taiga Koyama. Okay, second to last pack. Giovanni, Scyther, Ghastly, Kabuto Fossil. Okay. Okay. Last one. Nidorina, Erica, Caterpie, Sandshrew, Eevee, another Pokeball, Mr. Mime. We had 3 Arch Rare cards or AR cards. We have Ammonite, Dragonair, and Tangela. And our rare Master Ball Aerodactyl. So I am happy. This was a better opening than the previous one, so I'm not going to argue with this. Thank you all for watching, and I don't have another box to tease anymore. I ran out, so maybe catch you all next time.